My first uh-oh as a homeowner. Stopped at the grocery store. I'm gonna make a quick dip.
Good morning, today is Sunday. I am going downstairs at my apartment to make myself a cup of coffee, and I've taken my own little K-cup and mug because sometimes they have coffee and sometimes they don't. Looks like they have restocked this morning, but I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee using their Keurig. We took about 2 loads of stuff over to the new house last night, and I packed up my coffee pot, so this is the next best option. We just got back from a quick trip to our new house, and we just stopped at the grocery store. We got these little Debbie Valentine's cakes, a Caesar salad kit, club crackers, Takis, heavy cream. I'm gonna make some Alfredo for tonight, and some cake and cheesecake for dessert. I'm gonna make a quick dip in this sour cream container, and you just put it straight in there. We're gonna eat ours with club crackers. Good morning and happy Monday. I'm gonna take you through a quick workout because I have the gym to myself today. We're doing back and biceps. I just got off the treadmill. I did about a 5-minute incline walk at a 2.5 speed. So now we're gonna get into our weightlifting portion. I'm not a personal trainer or anything, but I've been working out in a gym for about 6 years now. So I've definitely had quite a bit of experience with different workouts and kind of testing out what's best for my body. That's me saying consult with your doctor first before you start working out or before you start doing any kind of moves that you see me doing, just because I'm not a personal trainer or a medical doctor. I'm about to head back up to my apartment, but quick fit check of the day. This sports bra is from Academy Sports. It's just their brand. These leggings are from Aeropostale Aerie. And then my shoes are Adidas. I'm not sure the exact model of them, but they are some Adidas shoes. I'm about to head off to work. We went to WWE's Monday Night Raw last night and got home a little bit late. I ended up getting about a 20-minute workout in this morning, which is better than nothing. I've had to learn that anything is better than nothing as long as you're doing it safely. let's get on our way to work.
It's kind of dark in here, but I'm on my lunch break and I'm actually inside for once. I'm eating my super nutritious lunch of a half a sandwich of the best breakfast sandwich from Wendy's. It's their bacon, egg, and Swiss cheese croissant. These are so good. I love whatever sauce that they put on them. And I'm going to have a few Takis as well. And some water for health. I'm going to the house after work today. We had our mattress delivered, and just like everything else, it's getting to the house early, so I need to stop by today and take it in, set it up. But I'm going to sit here and enjoy my sandwich, and I'm actually going to edit the previous video that went up.
My first uh-oh as a homeowner, the service for our house for the electricity was supposed to cut off on the 21st with the previous owner, and I had it set up to start on the 17th through us. Well, I came in just needing to take the mattress inside and realized that we didn't have any power, thought it was just to the garage because my garage door opener wasn't working. Well, tried to turn on the lights throughout the house, and obviously they weren't working. So I called our electricity people. They said that they tried to call me and that they left a voicemail, which they didn't, but things should be squared away now, and our electricity should be turning on tomorrow, so fingers crossed. But now I'm headed back to the apartment. Time for dinner, to change into some PJs, and to hang out for the rest of the night. I just got home from work. I ended up having to stay about 20 minutes late because I was 20 minutes late this morning due to an accident. But we're going to have some ground beef made into like an Asian stir-fry kind of thing with some steamed rice and some green beans. So let's go cook dinner. Happy Friday. Today is more than likely the last day that I will be working out in this apartment gym. We're moving in all of our stuff tomorrow. We're renting out a U-Haul and taking it all over to the new house. So I ended my workout journey here with a quick 30-minute jog and a little bit of abs and core. A lot of lasts today. We're actually moving offices for my work today. Today's our last day in office. We're going to work from home Monday and Tuesday, and then we'll see about the rest of the week. It is Friday as well, so I treated myself to a little blue raspberry slush. I needed gas. I was basically sucking fumes, so I got myself a little slush. I'm on my lunch break. I have about 30 minutes left of work whenever I get back. Then I'm going to head to our new house. I need to drop all this stuff off. We're renting out that U-Haul tomorrow, so it's going to be a long day of packing and moving tomorrow. I probably won't film anything, but that's what we're doing tomorrow. Fingers crossed I can end this little weekly vlog with us being finished moving. At least the big stuff. What?
I smell it from over there.
Good morning and happy Monday. We are pretty much fully moved into our house. I just got back home. Like I said, I'm working from home today and tomorrow at least because we're moving offices for work. I tried out 24-hour fitness about 10-15 minutes away from the house. I liked it. The equipment was a little bit older, but it wasn't too crowded. There was enough equipment there, so that was really nice. I'm gonna go back there tomorrow. Just let my puppies outside. I'm about to make some breakfast, shower, and get ready to sit down at my computer. I'm
gonna finish this video off here. I'm just working from home today, so nothing too exciting going on. Make some spaghetti and meat sauce tonight for dinner with some garlic bread and salad. But I hope you've enjoyed the video and will subscribe, like this video, stick along for some more videos just like this. Bye!